I spent 30 minutes with a toothbrush cleaning that wheel just for that shot. For my DIY electric longboard build, I bought 97mm wheels off eBay with bearings. I bought 50-degree caliber 2 trucks off Amazon without hardware, and then I bought half-inch riser pads from a dealer online. Since the trucks didn't come with any hardware, I had to go to the hardware store and pick up some stainless steel screws and lock nuts for this project.
So when you're mounting your flywheel, the easiest thing to do is to place the bearing on the truck, put the wheel on, press it, flip it over, put down your bearing, your spacer, and the wheel, press again, and there you are.
I drilled the holes for this board in a previous video. I then stuck all of the screws I had bought through the board, first placed the riser pad that I bought, then set the trucks on top. Given the rather exactness of the hole size in the trucks, I really didn't see the need for washers in this project, so I just have the 1024 machine screw with the lock nut. Since I'm going to take these bolts off when I finish the board, I'm putting on these lock nuts, but I'm not putting them on super tight, just enough so I can get around on the board. And from doing research online, I've never really had any experiment with it, but supposedly you can use lock nuts several times, so the fact that I'm going to take these on and off several times really isn't that big of a deal. Just used a screwdriver and a wrench to tighten everything up, and then I was on my way. No accidents as of yet. I haven't fallen off either. I'm glad I chose to learn how to ride a longboard before I actually electrolyzed it, because now I have a greater appreciation for how to ride a longboard. I'm more comfortable, and I feel like as soon as I electrolyze it, I'll really have a better feel for what I can do with a longboard. Thanks everyone for watching the little quick video tutorial. Video number 3 will be coming out once I get my electrical parts, then I figure out exactly what video I want to make next. But we are well on our way. Please subscribe and give any feedback you have on what could make my videos better. Thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next build.